I eat them for my supper, I eat them for my lunch. If I had 100 sandwiches, I'd eat them all at once. Sandwich Dad here. Today on Sandwich Dad, a tuna melt. Not just any tuna melt, a Caprese tuna melt, using some tuna from Scout Canning, caught off the coast of Vancouver Island. And it's in a garden herb and pesto sauce. Look at that. Looks pretty nice. We're going to get that all out of the can there. And I'm going to use a trick that Chef Charlotte showed me, using the leftover oil in the can of tuna to toast the bread with. All right, get that all nicely toasted. Brush it on the top as well. And then we flip, and then we can start making our tuna salad. We're going to use some mayonnaise, some red onion, pickles, celery. He chopped up this dill for me, which we're also going to add. Then we'll scoop our nice tuna salad onto our toast and load it up both sides with some mozzarella cheese. Normally I'd say that's it. I'm kind of an open-faced tuna melt kind of person. But today we're making it into a closed sandwich, and we're going to add some balsamic vinegar once that cheese is melted. And then we're going to add some tomatoes with salt and pepper, of course. There we go. Throw some nice fresh basil on the top and put the hat on. That's a nice looking sandwich. Cut diagonally and reveal. What do you say about that? What a nifty looking sandwich. Caprese Tuna Melt. All right, taste test. You know there's nothing wrong with that. That is a delicious sandwich. Caprese Tuna Melt. This is Sandwich Dad. Good day!